Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start now. Unlock your Android and open settings, then tap Network and Internet or Wi-Fi. Make sure you have admin access on this device or the router is within reach for physical access. You need to be connected to the target network, so join it if not already connected. Once connected, long press the network name to reveal options. Choose Share or QR code when available. This exposes the credential flow, quick, secure, and ready for the next steps. Once done, tap Share or the QR icon for the Wi-Fi you're on. Android requires authentication. Enter your PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint. This protects saved passwords. After validating, you'll see a QR code and sometimes a plain text password beneath it. Scan the QR from another device or copy the password. If the password isn't shown, use the QR on another phone to connect. Otherwise, export or sync credentials via your Google account for secure transfer. To finish, scan the QR with the other phone's camera or manually type the displayed password into Wi-Fi settings. Make sure characters match, including uppercase and symbols. If the password remained hidden, check the router's label or log into the router's admin page using its IP, often 192.168.0.1 to view or reset credentials. If you hit problems, restart the router and phone, re-authenticate, and try again. If still failing, reset the Wi-Fi password and repeat the share process. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.